Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Geometric Model 0, a compact foldable PC case series. So friends, Geometric has announced Model 0 Flamingo folding box chassis series half a year after its showcase at Computex 2024. So friends, the Mini-ITX chassis with a unique feature, it wraps around your system like a cardboard box, and the chassis has a compact format measuring 81 into 206 into 208 mm with a volume of 3.47 liter, and it is built from 1.2 mm thick steel plate with anti-static, fireproof and mildew-proof fabric in a black color with touch of gold like elements, and for cooling it relies on the giant mesh top circle and numerous ventilation hall, and there is no room for additional fan. Expect it can host a 60 height CPU cooler, and the chassis comes with compact custom Guitarra 200-watt power supply manufactured by Quanhan, and that measures 70 into 35 into 170 mm, and the chassis is equipped with detachable magnetic feet allow user to orient the case in both vertical and horizontal mode, and however is interesting as its look. The Model 0 has some drawback. It's only compatible with ITX motherboard and does not support PCI expansion, and currently there is no information about pricing. So friend, if you like my video, please to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.